In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete OneDrive folder from PC. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect so you can confidently remove a OneDrive folder from your computer. Start on your Windows desktop so everything is easy to see. Down in the bottom right corner of your taskbar, look for the OneDrive cloud icon. It's typically a small white or blue cloud. If you don't see it right away, it might be tucked away. Click the small arrow to show hidden icons and it should appear there. That cloud icon is the gateway to your OneDrive controls. Click the OneDrive icon to open its menu. In the panel that appears, choose Open Folder. This launches File Explorer directly in your OneDrive directory, so you're looking at the files and folders that are currently synced with your account on this PC. Now, navigate through the OneDrive window and select the folder you want to delete. Take a moment to double check you've picked the correct folder. If you see little status badges on files and folders, like a check mark, a cloud, or syncing arrows, those indicate whether items are available offline, online only, or currently syncing. It's a good idea to make sure you don't need anything inside that folder, because deleting it here removes it from OneDrive and typically syncs that deletion across devices connected to the same account. With the folder selected, right-click it to open the context menu. From the options that appear, click Delete. This tells Windows to move that OneDrive folder to the recycle bin on your PC. If a confirmation prompt appears, click Yes to confirm you want to delete it. On some setups, you might also see a message noting that the deletion will remove the folder from OneDrive and other devices. This is expected behavior for synced content. After you confirm, the folder is removed from your OneDrive folder on the PC. If you change your mind shortly after, you can usually recover it from the Windows recycle bin, and OneDrive also keeps an online recycle bin for a period of time. Keep in mind that if the folder was shared, removing it may affect others who had access, depending on how it was shared. That's it. Open OneDrive from the taskbar, open the OneDrive folder, select the folder you don't need, right-click, choose Delete, and confirm. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you clean up your OneDrive quickly and safely.